So I thought about, since I'm about to put the bar on this chain on this chainsaw, I'll make a video how to install a chain on a chainsaw. But I'm gonna remove the ratchet. Never mind the Poulan part. This goes with any chainsaw that has them screws on it and everything else. I'm gonna show you what I mean. This is the because it's not American made, 13mm socket. Set the ratchet right. You unscrew it. Loosen them up. Try not to pause the video. If I got to, I'm just not do what I gotta do. Both of them are loose. I'll pause this point to get them off. Here's the last one. Basically, just unscrew it. Some people turn this off, some people let it straight. I'm gonna turn this off. Take this off. Blade falls down. No chain on it. Well, some saws have a screw like this on this part of the saw. This one doesn't. Echoes do, and Husqvarnas and stuff like that do. It needs to be clean, but I'm not worried about it. This is just a typical video how to install a chain on a chainsaw properly. What you do is you get a flathead screwdriver and you unscrew the screw. Sorry for the pause. And if your chain ever does this, this is how you fix that. Only on one hand right now. I don't have a cameraman. So I done that. Hope y'all did, because I couldn't really see the camera at the same time I did it. You take it and you do like this. You go with it, not against it. And there she is. I'm gonna make another video about how to do this the correct way. Have a camera person holding the phone, or the GoPro, whatever I'm using. Lay it down. Of course, when I lay it down, you don't get it knotted up again. Then you take it. Make sure you look how you can mother trucker. They did it again. See, did it again, y'all. Well, I'm gonna pause it. Don't do this. Got it untangled. Paid mine, I had a T4. That goes on top of the saw, and vice. Or if it's under the saw, goes like this. The camera don't show it the correct way. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. That's my daughter. I recommend you do this in dirt. Like this. Like this, technically. I'm gonna have to pause it when I put it in the saw, because I can't do this and hold the camera at the same time. When you put it on the saw, you basically do this. Like this. Put it around that clutch. And the teeth are correct, like I said. It goes clockwise, not counterclockwise. That big part is in the back, the small part's in the front. I got the bar on there. I'm trying to do this with one hand, y'all. I'm gonna lay this over.
This is over. hold it down.
You're not holding a baby girl. I don't want you getting cut. This chain is sharp. Yes, the chain is very sharp. No matter how dull it is, it will cut human flesh. That's how it goes on, y'all. And what I meant earlier about the flathead, you take it, turn it counterclockwise. Look at the sucker away. Zoom, yeah, do right. I don't know if I can see it all, but it's moving. I got a tripod. You basically just take it and stick it on there. That little stud right there. Right there. Has to match this particular hole. Well, my camera's messing up bad. And the easiest way for that is to have it completely loose. It's installed correctly that way. Take your 2 nuts. And put them back on. And when you go to tighten the chain up, make sure that chain's on the bar. Hold it up right there, you pick it up to the slat. This gonna be blurry, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing it. Then I'm gonna pause it again. I'll do what I can without pausing it. I don't have a correct screwdriver for the daggone saw. Do a little bit. You do this and turn it clockwise. Chain should suck up. I can't catch that on video right now because I only have one hand available. Sorry, y'all. Well, y'all, I couldn't quite get it on film, but see that little bit right there? That's all you need. That's how she acts. Gotta watch what I do because she got a chain on her now. Man, I gotta get tripod bad. Oh, she got some compression. See the difference in the throttle response and how much RPMs it has with the chain on it? There you go, y'all. Hopefully it's helpful as I can get it. I might make another video how to correctly install it with a tripod, but here you go, y'all. Later.